Hello everyone, welcome to Sharik Oracle series. Today we are going to discuss on external tables on Oracle. How we can create external tables. We heard about external tables in interviews. Interviewer asked what is external tables. So today I am going to show how we can create external tables. So before creating the external tables, the first thing we need to create a directory that is called external directory. So first of all, you need to connect SQL in command prompt. I have already connected. Let me clear my screen. So our very first step is we need to create a directory. So I am going to the folder. So here I already created one external table folder. Now I'll create one more external table folder. Let me create. Make it a short as ext. So I copy the path. So here already I have created one external table before, so I don't want to waste everyone time. So here I'm giving the path and creating a new external file. DBA ext. Press enter. Directory gets created. Now our second step is we need to give a grant access, grant read and write for this particular external directory. So for this, here's the command. We can use grant read write on directory name and the user. So here I have different users. If you see, I have 119C database and 112C database. So currently I'm using 12C database for making everyone understanding. So I just copy this command for so here I paste it. Okay, it's not getting paste, so no problem. Okay, so what is my directory name? This is my directory name, dba underscore ext, and this is my username, sys. So grant succeed. So now our third step is we need to create a table. So for creating a table, first we need, it's a very simple how we create a normal table in Oracle. So here just create table name with the column definition with the data types we define, and here we need to give a external detail. Like here I am giving fields, so I can give a null value to avoid null value, comma delimited. So like that we can do such a way we can create some external table. And one of the most important thing is location. So this is the path. Okay, so here I'm opening one text pad. Or yeah, so I can save a text pad. Let me close it. Save as go to important, where is my folder is ext. So I should create ext.txt. I'm just save it. So here ran, okay, Without wasting our time, we'll go to create our table. We can go for SQL developer. The table we are going to create. So you can see create table, all the details we are giving. So here we can give null value also. For null value, comma, delimited, everything we can give from here. So now I'm going to create the table name, table creation. So employee load one is created. Now I'm going to show you the file. Sorry. So this file already I have kept some data. 10 January, Sharik, second column Saeed, IB, like that I have given. I'm closing this one. So going to execute this particular table. So you can see our record is getting fetches perfectly. Hope everyone likes my video. If you like my video, give a like. Thank you so much, guys.